All right, one of the easiest ways to make a video for your classroom is to record a narration over a slideshow. And the most simple tool that I know of to do that is Quicktime. So here I have a slideshow pulled up that is what I want to record. I'm going to use Quicktime, which you can access by going to the Applications folder, or you can hit F4 on your computer and it'll pull up this Applications window, and I have it right here in the middle because I use it all the time. I click on that and a window pops up that would allow me to open a recording if I already had a recording I wanted to edit. But in this case, I'm going to go to File, choose New Screen Recording. I have options for the microphone here to have none, an internal microphone, or other microphone devices if you have another microphone attached. In this case, I want the internal microphone. I would use none if I didn't want to record the sound. When I click the red record button, I get this prompt that says click to record the full screen, drag to record part of the screen, end recording by clicking the stop button in the menu bar. I can use the drag to record part of the screen if I only want to record a certain chunk of the screen and I don't want all the other business in the middle. In this case, I'm going to record the full screen because I'm going to present this slideshow on my screen. So I click, and now in the toolbar, you'll notice that this little icon has appeared that looks like a little record button. That means that Quicktime is currently recording. So if I hit the present button, it launches my slideshow like you would expect, and I can start talking. I usually leave myself a little bit of silence at the beginning of my recording and then at the end of my recording so that I don't worry about cutting off something that I wanted to say in my editing. So I'd pause and then say, okay, these are the fossil notes for page notebook, page 57. And then I can start clicking through, reading off whatever I want, making whatever statements I need to make. One thing that's really neat about Quicktime is that you can get rid of parts of the clip when you've recorded it. So if you fumble over words, if you want to say it a different way, what you can do is you can go back a slide, pause, and then start re-recording again, and later we'll split that out. So let's say I'm done. I'm going to actually exit out of my presentation so that I can see the Chrome browser again. And in my case, because I have all of these icons up here that are so useful, I actually have to click on the desktop in order to see the stop. You could also do it by going down to your dock and clicking on the QuickTime player icon, and you would see the stop. So I'd click stop, and then it launches an untitled video of my my recording. So the first thing I might want to do is trim it so that I get rid of me fumbling around at the beginning and me fumbling around at the end of starting and stopping the recording. Once I do that, I can trim it. And then let's say that I wanted to cut out some places. I would use the scrubber down here to figure out where I messed up. It was somewhere in here. And again, you'd be playing this and listening. And then go up to the edit menu, click split clip. So now you'll see that it's in two different little clips down here at the bottom. And then I would play it again and then stop it after the boo-boo and split the clip into 3 parts. So now I have 1, 2, 3 parts. The middle part is my boo-boo. The middle part, I can hit the delete key, it goes away, and I am left with a seamless transition. You don't put in any transition kind of things like you would in iMovie or WeVideo. It just slams it together, and now I'm done. And so my video contains exactly what I recorded without my boo-boo. When I'm done doing all of my trimming, I can save my file, and then I can export it if I want to. You can change the different settings. If we're publishing it like on PowerSchool, I would recommend doing kind of a low quality just so that it loads a little bit faster.
Mm-hmm.
And you save it, give it a name, save, and then upload that file to PowerSchool like you would any other file.